Good morning. It is me, the Quick Boss. And you know, for a long time, I didn't believe it. But I have analyzed a lot of things. I have seen things through different perspectives, through different eyes. And you know, I know now that I'm one of those people. We are tested, put through a lot of stuff, and then to see if we overcome it, to see if we can fight for other people, to be the light for other people, because a lot of people can't be the light for themselves. So somebody has to be the voice. Somebody has to speak. Somebody has to push through and show others that they're not afraid to speak up and be that voice. And you know, I believe that that's why I was put here, because I've already been through too much and probably going to be put through more. And I will fight so I can be the voice for you. I love you. Have an awesome day. Big hugs.